Hi everyone, it's Miss Melissa from North Regional Library. Today we're going to use some items found in your kitchen to make silly putty. We're going to be using cornstarch and any kind of dish soap that you have at home. You also need a little bowl, or a bigger one if you have one that you want to double the recipe, a spoon, and you can use food coloring if you'd like. So remember, before we start, to get your adults' permission to use dish soap and cornstarch. The measurements are 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. And then you can use the same measuring spoon for your liquid detergent. I think I'm going to start off with the blue one and measure 1.5 tablespoons of your liquid. Once you have your ingredients in your dish, use a spoon to start the mixing. You'll see it coming together. Once just about all of it is together, it's time for your hands to get messy. So you're going to pull your ingredients from the dish and begin to squeeze it in your hands. And you can see it sort of coming together like dough. The neat thing about this silly putty is it doesn't stretch like dough, but when you break it apart, it makes a clean break. And you can continue to squeeze it and form it. If it's too dry, add a little dish soap and continue to squeeze it. If it's too wet, add some more cornstarch. And here is our first silly putty that we've made. I'm gonna add it to my bag. Look at all the different colors that I have. And this is a neat way to store your silly putty in a Ziploc bag, and it stays pretty well for over a week. So next I'm going to make some more. I've already measured out 2 tablespoons of the cornstarch, and I think I'm going to try the green detergent this time. You can try different ones to see if one detergent's better than the other. Begin mixing. If you don't think your color is dark enough, this is a good time while you're mixing to add food coloring. Since I'm using green detergent, I'm going to use some green food color. Just add a few drops. Continue the mixing process. This one seems much wetter than the other one. So I think I'm going to add a little more cornstarch. Looks like it's coming together pretty well formed. So I'm going to take it out of the dish and I'm going to begin forming it, squeezing it with my hand. This one's much softer than the previous one I made. And this one looks like stretches a little bit more. These are really fun ideas for you to give to your friends. Valentine's Day will be coming up, and Easter, so you can find like a little container, or you can use a Ziploc bag. Make some for your friends, include the recipe, and let them have lots of fun making silly putty. Looking forward to seeing the silly putty creations that you make. Go ahead and add your pictures to our comment section of our Facebook page. And if you like this, make sure that you like us on our Facebook page. I hope you have lots of fun. I'll see you next time.